How to fix Cash app won't let me change my cash tag. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing such issue, there must be some of the character limitations, invalid character or existing username. For that, you need to check on the Cash app guidelines. Check for the character limit, prohibited characters such as symbols and numbers, or any of the unique username requirement. Also ensure that you have verified your account info. If it still does not work, check out this next step. Firstly, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, it might be a reason why your cash tag is not updating. You can switch into a better Wi-Fi connection and try again. If not, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. In that case, tap open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash app. Firstly, force stop the app. Head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This should solve your issue. If not, you need to reach out to the help and support of Cash app. And you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.